Hey guys, welcome to the Living Irving channel. My name's Tanya. Today I will be doing a video on how I deep condition my thin, fine, low porosity hair. So the product I'm using is the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration leave-in conditioner with fig extract and bamboo oil. The product is super thick. I love this product, and I just wanted you to take note when you saw my hair under the plastic cap. I had just gotten out of the shower, so you can see my hair was like a puffball, and that's what low porosity hair does. It's just hard for moisture to get soaked up in there, and my hair needed some extra hydration. So what I'm doing is taking the product and finger coiling it through my hair, and this really just gets my curls defined, and it also works as a great detangler while applying the product into the hair. I just love this product. So I just want you guys to just really take note of the before and after, because in the beginning you can really see there was no hydration there, and I had just washed my hair. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm just defining my coils, and just look at the hydration already. So I went up under the dryer for 30 minutes, and I really think this product works best under the dryer. But just look, I only rinsed the product out of my hair, and now you can see the difference coming out of the plastic cap from before. Look at how defined my coils are. Look at how hydrated my hair is. My hair just loves this product. It just sucks it up. It just drinks it like water. It's like feeding a plant. So I really do recommend this product for anyone that has low porosity hair or very fine, thin hair like myself. My hair is very fine. It's like so soft, like a cotton ball. And being low porosity is just hard to maintain moisture. So anytime I feel dry or just my curls aren't popping, I go to this right here, and it does the job every time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. The next video, I'll show you how I treat my traction alopecia, but I'm loving the hair. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for?